Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Sadora Solangi, Assistant Professor of Zoology at Government Girls Degree College, Larkano. Today my topic is skeleton. Skeleton is a framework of an organism. It gives support to the body and protect our vital and soft organs of the body. There are three types of skeleton: hydrostatic skeleton, exoskeleton, and endoskeleton. Hydro means fluid or water. Static means position, rigidity, firmness, owing to presence of water means watery substance constitute a hydrostatic skeleton. It helps in movement and gives support to an organism, for example, earthworm, jellyfish, and starfish. Second one is exoskeleton. Exo means outer side, and exoskeleton is an exterior skeleton. It is present in invertebrate, for example, phylum Arthropoda and phylum Mollusca. In Arthropoda, it is made up of chitin. When the size of animal increase, the exoskeleton becomes short and it is separated from the body. It is replaced by a new skeleton. This process are called molting. Molting means remove their old shell and produce their new shell. For example, cockroach and scorpio. Third one is endoskeleton. Endo means inner side, and endoskeleton present in human being. Human skeleton is divided into two portions, axial and appendicular. Axial means central part of the body. First one is skull, second one is rib cage, and third one is vertebrae column. Skull protect our vital and soft organs of the body. Axial portion contain 80 bones. Skull is the first part of axial skeleton, which contain brain box or cranium. In cranium, brain is well protected. The brain box is composed of 8 bones. The other bones of skull form face and are called facial bones. These bones are cheek bones, upper jaw, and lower jaw. Lower jaw has a single bone called dentary. Vertebrae column or backbone. Below the skull, vertebrae column is present. In vertebrae column, spinal cord is protected. Vertebrae column consists of 33 bones, but due to their fusion, 26 bones are formed. These are called vertebrae. The lower 5 hip vertebrae unite together to form scum, and 4 tail vertebrae unite together to form cocci. So total 26 bones are present in backbone. The vertebrae are supported to cartilaginous disc and which protected them from grinding. Ribs or ribs cage. Ribs are present in the thorax of man. They form rib cage which contain a cavity. The ribs protect heart and lungs. 12 pair of ribs present in our body. These ribs unite in semicircular manner and attach to dorsal part of vertebrae. On ventral side, they are attached to the sternum. Two Lower pair of ribs are free, not attached to vertebrae. These free ribs are called floating ribs. Sternum. Sternum is a braced bone or chest bone. It is present in ventral wall of thorax. It is in the form of narrow rod-shaped bone. Ribs are attached to sternum on ventral side. Appendicular. Appendicular skeleton. Appendicular skeleton means attachment of body parts. It consists of limbs and girdle. The girdle are of two types, pectoral girdle. Pectoral girdle, it is found in shoulder region. Bones and arms are attached to pectoral girdle. Forelimbs, upper arm, humerus, lower arm, radius ulna, wrist, carpals, palm, metacarpals, fingers and digits. And second one, pelvic girdle. It is found in hip region. Bones of legs are attached to the girdle. Upper leg, femur, lower leg, tuba, fibula, ankle, tarsals, metatarsals, toe, phalanges, knee, cap, patella. Two bones are present in collar. Two bones are present in shoulder. Two bones are present in hip region. Pelvic girdle bones. Joints. The point where two bones meet together are called joints. Two types of joints, hinge joints and ball and socket joints. Hinge joints, these joints can move in one plane or one direction only, such as knee joints or elbow joints. Second one is ball and socket joints. These joints move in all directions, such as shoulder joints and hip joints. Means ball and socket joints, they move universally. Ball and socket joints, these joints move in all direction. It means they are move universally. Immovable joints. These joints are present only in skull. Okay, my dear student, Allah Hafiz. God blesses you. Stay home, stay safe. Allah Hafiz.